Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming access. Make the Google Sheet shareable and sign into the same Google account in Tableau. Once signed in, choose the built-in Google Sheets connector in Tableau. Authorize Tableau when prompted. This grants read access to your files. After authorization, Tableau shows your spreadsheets. Pick the workbook and then the specific worksheet. Make sure the sheet has headers and consistent types. This reduces later schema mismatches and speeds the import process. Once your sheet loads, inspect the data grid. Check types, rename fields, and correct any mixed data issues. If the dataset is large, create an extract and set a filter or row limit to speed analysis. To combine tables, use joins on a reliable key or perform a left join for primary data integrity. Alternatively, pivot columns into rows for normalized structure. Make sure calculated fields and date parsing are correct. This avoids errors in downstream visualizations and keeps performance optimal. Finish by publishing your workbook or data source to Tableau Server or Tableau Public, selecting Extract Refresh Schedule if needed. If you prefer live updates, confirm internet access and that the sheet remains shared. Live connections reflect changes instantly. If a refresh or connection breaks, reauthorize the Google connector in Tableau and verify OAuth token scopes and account permissions. Also confirm the sheet name and headers haven't changed. Mismatched schema.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.